So, one of my projects while I was home in my bubble was to reorganize my jewelry and to really organize it. So I got a few great things to organize. It's amazing. So one is this. This is a floating box. You put your product in here. The plastic stretches. I'll show you. You open it. You press down on the dent. There's a little dent. So you press down on that. You see it's stuck together? Okay, so, and it opens. Now, if you take a bracelet, this is all crystals I made with a memory wire, and you put it in there, you'd say, oh, that's too big. But watch this. It just snaps closed and floats. It's a floating display box. I put all my big jewelry in these boxes. I got a long one, a little baby one, and this one. So besides the floating jewelry display boxes, I bought a few sizes of this. Now, this is all rubbery silicone, so you don't have to worry about it getting dirty and you can't clean it. And it comes in all different sizes, and one side is longer than the other, so it's very easy to open. You just go like that and it opens. Now you could do this, you just open it. You put something in there. So I'll put this in here. And then snap it closed. And if you have silver jewelry and you clean it, you put it in here, it won't get tarnished. If you have precious metals, precious gold, you put it in here, nothing will ever change the color or get dusty or dirty. And I just love these so much. I put so many things in here. So now I'm going to show you the organization that I did with both of these products. Wow. So, this is my IKEA wardrobe. I bought the largest wardrobe they have, and I had them install these pull-out trays, and there you go. See the necklace in the floating display? Oh, it's so cute. And those are all my fashion rings. Now, look at the pink envelopes, and they come in white or green or blue, I think many colors, and so do the floating boxes, so you could just decorate however you want. But I put earrings in the envelopes, and you could see everything and nothing gets tangled, and it's so easy to open and close and store, and nothing gets tarnished. I love it. It's amazing. I think I bought about 40 or 50 bags, and I think I used almost all of them. Because I put everything. Look at that. That little pearl necklace. I made that one. And you would think it's bulky, but it fits. The bulkier, no problem. It just, because the plastic stretches. And you could display them if you want. You could put them on a shelf. You could put a collection of something else. You could put miniatures or whatever you collect. And you could just have a whole display on your shelf in your room or in the living room, wherever. I mean, I love it. Then I got these little cups. I bought them for all my grandkids. The girls, and let me show you, is the cutest, easiest way. It's the easiest way to clean your brush. So you put your brush in hot water and soap, and then you can go like this, just hold it, and I'm not a believer of this. I don't do this. Like on your hands, I don't want my hands to get too wet. But there it is, a little cup. Cute, cute, cute. This castor oil has helped my eyelashes. In fact, okay, and the last thing I'm going to show you is this other brush cleaner. These two. Now, this comes in different colors, but what you do is you open it up. It's a plastic box, and it has that, like that bun fabric. So this cleans your brushes. So when you're done with your brush, you go like that, and then if you want to put it in another color, you clean it up, and it's clean. I had black on that before. So this is so cute. Wait till you see this. Okay, this comes in, I believe, a couple of colors, and it has that little sponge that's like the thing you put in your hair to make a bun that YouTube has showed us for years to clean your brushes. But this comes in its own little case. You could take this with you. You could travel with it, and you don't have to bring so many brushes. Now, this is an adorable one. Look at the little kitten on a little pink background. It's a metal tin can. And there it has a little cat figure, and it's got the sponge around it. Now, the cat figure can come out. You could clean this whole thing. Let me show you what the center is for. So, when you have a dirty brush, see, makeup, you clean it on the black. That looks clean. Now, to check if it's clean, you go right here. So that looks a little shadowy, so we need to clean it a little more. I think that's better, but you get the idea. You could check to see if you've got enough eyeshadow off of it. So it's really cool, and then you could turn it around. Let's see, we'll start with a new one. So you just swipe it, swirl it, and then press it in the middle to make sure the makeup came off. Isn't that cute? It's so adorable. So that is another way to clean your brushes. And this is a portable way. It's very easy. And so I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great week, a great day. And remember, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for being here. Woohoo! Filmed another video.